lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. So today is day 11 of Vlogmas. Wait, Kens, wait. And today is a simple and easy day. I'm just going to play with Kenzie because she's going to stay with me today.
Yes,
and I have to go to, wait. I have to go to my doctor and pick up our food from Walmart and just edit some vlogs and posts. I don't know. You may be able to go. Let's see. Okay, so Kenzie wants to show you her toys. Okay, no. You go ahead. I'm going to videotape it. You go. Show them your toys.
This is my ballerina toy. It's new. And here is my ballerina car. Let me show you the newest one. This is my newest toy. I bought it from the street.
So, as you can see, she's doing all her stuff, and we're in my pool table area, which has been taken over. Daddy's pool table area, which has been taken over by first my big girl. Now Kenzie has taken over with her Barbie doll.
Yes, I'm the little good sissy. The big good sissy name.
Okay.
And I'm almost like 11 or 6 or 11, 20 or 11.
Anyway, we're just gonna play on her table with her Barbies, and when we get ready to go,
No, don't catch the video. Look at this. You can buy this from somewhere, and it's really cool. I always wanted one, and you have.
Alrighty, so I just went to my doctor. I picked up my shots. I lost 6 pounds. Hey, I'm so happy. I remember that one day that I messed up. Well, I don't know what happened that one day. So I lost 7 pounds in 7 days since our last visit. So I only have, what she said, I'm on day 13. I only have another 10 more days to go. So I'm hoping that I can get these 10 pounds down and like be at, 140. I'll be I'm 159 on their scale, so 149 on their scale and 147 on my scale, and I'll be happy with that. That's just I think my order for Walmart is ready, because I think I got a text, and as soon as I started doing this vlog, I like pushed it up and didn't even look and see what it was. So I think I'm going to go over there, get my food, and then I'm headed home, and I'm done for the day. I'm so mad. Why the order been ready like 36 minutes ago? I could have been over here waiting forever. So let's go. Let me drive over here, get this order so I can get home and eat, because I have not had lunch yet. Shoot, it's almost dinner time. Well, it's 12, almost 1. Let's go. So I was over here editing this vlog, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so short. It's like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, Lord. And the thing is, I sat in Walmart parking lot for like 20 minutes. I ended up going that night to Macy's and getting my mom some shoes and getting my mother-in-law this shirt, because she's very conservative. When I wrap gifts on Sunday, I'll show you how they look. But anyway, I want to say, like this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and that bell. And thank you for watching. Bye.